Story. When Shangó was about to come into the world, he was just a frightened child. He was terrified of the crowing rooster and the bleating goat, and he trembled like a leaf. He realized that he could not descend to earth in this state, as he could not live forever in hiding. So he went to see Orúnmila, who performed osode, divination, and saw this odu, marking an ibo, offering for him. After completing the ibo, Orúnmila gave Shangó the 101 stones and told him that they were his defense and that they were called Afeke. When Shangó held Afeke in his hands, his eyes changed color and courage filled his heart. People began to flee at his presence, for whenever someone angered him, he would reach into Afeke and hurl the stones. Now fully prepared to descend, Orúnmila sent him to earth, marking the location with a forked branch as a sign that he had arrived. The King of Courage. This was meant to help control his temper, allow people to form bonds with him, and also enable Afeke to serve as a means to destroy his enemies.